identity in trigonometric function. We call it the quotient identity. Ano ba yung dalawang identity natin na yan? Let's have tangent theta and cotangent theta. What is the equivalent value of tangent theta and cotangent theta? Let's start with tangent theta. The ratio of tangent theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. If we are going to rationalize this, multiply this by 1 over hypotenuse over 1 over hypotenuse, and the answer will be opposite times hypotenuse. 1 over hypotenuse, we have opposite over hypotenuse divided by adjacent, multiplied by 1 over hypotenuse, we have adjacent over hypotenuse. And the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse is equals to sine theta. The ratio of adjacent over hypotenuse is equals to cosine theta. And so the quotient identity of tangent theta is equals to sine theta over cosine theta. Now let's have cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is simply the reciprocal of tangent theta. So it means that we have adjacent over opposite. And again, we are going to rationalize this by multiplying 1 over hypotenuse. 1 over hypotenuse. Multiply adjacent times 1 over h. We have adjacent over hypotenuse all over this one is opposite over hypotenuse. Then the ratio of a over h, or adjacent over hypotenuse, is equals to cosine theta. At the denominator, opposite over hypotenuse, we have sine theta. And so the quotient identity cotangent theta is equals to cosine theta over sine theta. The quotient identity.